Have you ever wondered what exactly makes blockchain so revolutionary, and why it's far more than just Bitcoin? Today, on Knowledge Hub, we're diving deep into how blockchain really works beyond the buzzwords. At its core, a blockchain is a digital ledger, a special type of database that stores information in blocks. Think of it like a chain of digital boxes, each filled with records, and once a block is full, it's locked and linked to the previous one, forming a continuous chain. But here's where it gets fascinating. Once data is written on the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to change. That's because it uses cryptography, specifically, something called the hash function. A hash is a fixed-length string of characters uniquely representing the data inside the block. Even the tiniest change in the block would completely alter its hash, instantly revealing tampering. Now, instead of a single computer controlling this ledger, the blockchain is shared across a network of computers called nodes. Each node keeps a copy of the entire chain. When new transactions happen, they're grouped into a block and broadcasted to the network. Here comes the magic: consensus mechanisms. These are algorithms that make sure all the nodes agree on what gets added to the chain. The most famous one, proof of work, the method used by Bitcoin, where computers solve complex puzzles to validate blocks. But newer blockchains use alternatives, like proof of stake, where validators are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Once a block is validated, it's permanently added to the chain, and every node updates their copy, keeping the system synchronized and transparent. This decentralized nature is what makes blockchain so powerful. It's almost impossible to hack, because you would need to control over half the network at once, which in most cases is practically impossible. But blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. Today, it's used for far more: supply chains, digital identity, healthcare records, and even voting systems. Anywhere trust, transparency, and security matter. From tracking coffee beans to securing medical records, blockchain is quietly revolutionizing industries worldwide. So, next time you hear the word blockchain, remember, it's not just about Bitcoin. It's about decentralization, transparency, and creating a digital world where trust isn't optional. It's built in by design. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next breakdown on Knowledge Hub. And as always, stay curious.